Today class Python numbers. Python numbers. Python Python numbers. There are three numeric types: int, float, third one complex. There are three numeric types in Python. Variables of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. I will show you example. Int x is a variable equal to 1. Next, float y is a variable 2.8. This is float. X is a int. Next one, third complex. Z, it is variable 1j. This is complex. To verify the type of any object in Python, use the type function. Type function. I will show you how to check which type of this is IDLE. Integer x is equal to 1 equal to 1. What we have discussed using type function. Which type of x class integer. Which type integer. Next one float y equal to 2.8. Type of y. Which type float type. 2.8 is float type. Third one complex. Z equal to 1j. Type of z. Which type complex type. These are the Python numbers: int, float, complex. First one is integer, second one is float, third one is complex. First one, integer. Int or integer. Int or integer is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, of unlimited length. I will show you examples. X equal to 1, print of x, 1 type of x. Which type? Int type. Next one, float. Float or floating point number is a number, positive or negative, containing one or more decimals. I will show you example. X equal to 1.10. Print of x 1.1. This is a float. And one more example. Z equal to minus 35.59. Print of Z float. Type of Z float type. This is a float. Next, float can also be scientific numbers with an e to indicate the power of 10. Suppose x equal to 35 e 3. Print of x. This is also accepted. So type of x float type. Next to third one, complex. Third one, complex. Complex numbers are written with a j, indicate with j as the imaginary part. 3 is real part, 5 is a imaginary part. I will show you example. X equal to 3 plus 5j. Print of x. This is output. We will check type of x. Which type? Complex type.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.